Westermans here with a Swift Cut Pro 3000 CNC Plasma cutter with a Hypertherm 45 plasma, which is 3-phase. The plasma bed itself is fume extraction bed and is 1600 by 3 meters in length. Auto height control. Year is 2021. Comes with a selection of plasma spares and obviously manuals. Fume extraction is situated at the back of the machine. As you can see, the cutting bed itself is virtually as new. The machine itself will be sent with the fume extraction as shown here. Which is 3-phase again. And it's a DCE model. Again, year 21. It's called a Typhoon. Again, same condition, and again, like the Swift, made in the UK. Quick test run to make sure we've got enough space on the plate for a test cut. You can see the laser line for lining up your plate. Another test run. Various machines available to look at westermans.com or even on YouTube. Range of new machines and used machines, plasma, profiles, positioners, rotators, column and booms, Gulco, Fronius, Lincoln, plus many other brands, all available from stock and for quick delivery. Thank you for looking. .6mm mild steel, nice clean cut. Almost no dross. Running with the 45 Hypertherm plasma. Like I say, more details available at westermans.com.